Lahat hanggang sa may makita kami mga malalaking hukay sa lupa.
Pancit Bihon
na nagpa-alerto
and
sa
Pancit Canton together with drinks that I have here and some whole wheat bread
Gawayan ng mga trabahador
and
sa BPK at ilaw ang nagtrabaho.
a junk food.
Pero kakaiba ang tono niya na parang may pagdududa.
Do you want some guys and gals?
Naabot magmapang sa akin. Pero hindi ko na siya kinulit pa.
Hello there. Hi. I'm going to Padilla for my, hold on, I can't make this one. Oh gosh, hold on. Lang ilang po saglit. Hold on guys. I'll be going to Padilla for my late auntie's wake. This could be her last day, and tonight will be the last night of mourning. Hold on, some kind of hi to each every one of you. You see me? So I will take a jeepney ride for me to get there in Padilla. I can't make it tonight, that's why I'm gonna do this during daytime because I'm some kind of busy, and then once I get home I can have my rest instead of doing it by this tonight, later for tonight. Oh shucks. My late auntie was my not so close, but I do remember when I was still a kid, when she fetches me in our house in San Juan, and then when we cross the street in Aurora Boulevard, I feel so scared because hold on, some kind of a heavy. Lots of jeepneys and cars are driving fast, so I'm so afraid. And then I do also remember years ago when I can't go home in my boarding house, I tend to have a little bit rest in her house in Patalon. And then hold on, I do also remember when she visited me in Binangonan and some other memories. Hold on. So we are here now in Marcos Highway to, oh gosh, sorry, to have some jeepney ride. Okay. So heavy that I'm carrying. But for now, thank you so much for watching. So take one last look. Right there, I'm gonna take a jeep going to Padilla. But for now,